Hi, in this video, we will see how to scrape Instagram users' data by just using this tool, which allows you to collect email addresses, phone numbers, and other relevant details from public Instagram profiles without requiring extensive manual work or high-end hardware. With this scraper software, you can easily automate the data collection process by defining keywords, locations, and even specific profile types, making it ideal for gathering valuable data quickly and accurately. The software is designed to run on almost any computer setup. Whether you have an i3 processor with 4 GB of RAM, this tool performs efficiently. Additionally, it doesn't require a license key, so you can download it once and use it across multiple systems without any restrictions. To download this software, please check the link provided in the video description. Once you download the software from the link in the video description, you'll receive a zip file like this. Simply extract it and open the folder, and you'll see there are several files were packed inside the zip along with its documentation guide. Don't get confused, this software comes up with its source code. Means you can also customize this software once you get it if you know Python, because this software has been developed on Python language. But if you're like me, who doesn't like to code at all, you simply need to extract this release zip file. Once it is extracted, open the folder, and you will see 3 files. There are 2 driver files, which I'll explain shortly, and the main is this software file. This .exe file doesn't require any installation or a license key, just double-click and you can run it on as many systems as you need without any installation. When you open the software, a splash screen will appear briefly, and then you'll see an interface with options, starting with a keyword prompt. Here, click on Edit to define the keywords you want the scraper to target. Keywords refer to the type of profiles or data you're looking for on Instagram. For example, I'll enter influencer here because I want to collect information from profiles that include this keyword. You can add multiple keywords if you want to broaden the scraping. If you add a keyword by mistake, simply select it and click Delete, or you can also clear all keywords at once. Once you're done, close this tab, and your keywords will be saved automatically. Next, select the phone number country. Here, I'll choose the United States, but you can pick any country that matches your needs. After that, it will ask for email types. You'll see options for public emails, like Gmail, Yahoo, etc. Selecting public emails will gather these types, while choosing custom domains focuses on business emails with specific domains, ideal for business-related contacts. However, generally I believe that social media profiles are created using these common free email types like Gmail or Hotmail, so I am selecting this option. In the Instagram profile source section, the tool is set to scrape directly from Instagram's public search results. It will use the keywords you provided to locate profiles that match, gathering available data from them. Then, you'll need to specify the Google location, similar to setting a location filter in Google. I'll select the United States here, but you can choose any location that best suits your target audience. Next, set the number of pages you want to scrape. This option defines how many search result pages the software will process. I'll keep it at 5 pages, which is good enough to show you the workflow of this software, but if you need more data, you can go up for more. Now, set the save location for the extracted data and name the file to keep it organized. For instance, I would like to save the exported data in the desktop, and I will name it as Insta Influencers Data USA and would like to save it in Excel format. These settings are absolutely up to you. You can set it according to your preferences. I won't reflect anything while scraping the data. Now the most important setting in the browser section is that Chrome is set by default. Below Chrome there is also a setting for anti-robot driver mode. This is primarily for Chrome. But to enable it you need to install the Chrome driver, which is already included in the zip file. However, I haven't done that yet, so I will select Firefox here. In this case, I don't need the anti-robot driver mode, which automatically solves CAPTCHAs because it's only for Chrome and I have selected Firefox. After all settings are configured, click Next Step. If you need to adjust any settings, click back to make changes. Otherwise, click the Start Process button to begin. The scraping process has now started, and as you can see on the screen, it's fetching data in real time. This software works quickly, so we won't have to wait long. As I said, the data has been scraped. But here you might be thinking that okay, we got some emails of the US-based influencers, along with their followers and some other details. But we didn't get phone number of any influencer. Here you guys need to know one thing. Software is just extracting the data which is publicly available on Google by just crawling the search engine. Which means, if someone has shared their information, either their emails or contact numbers or both, and their profile is public, then only this software extracts, because what it's doing is working as an automated search engine bot which prepares a query based on your inputs. So why you got this type of data, but as long as number of pages you gave this as command you will get as that much of data on your screen. That's how it works, and that's all for this video. If you want to try this tool, you'll find the download link in the video description. Thank you for your time.